Hello everybody, I'm NOOB-NOOB-FRUIT and this is going to be a special video when I'm going to teach you exactly how to YouTube. So how to become a YouTuber, what's the most efficient way to do it, and how to efficiently upload videos on YouTube and record them. So I'm going to talk about the software, the editing software, the recording software, everything from A to Z, and I hope you guys like it. So let's go. First, you're going to need a couple of softwares. You're going to need Streamlabs OBS, which is the recording software. This is by far the best one I found. It hasn't disappointed me yet. So this is Streamlabs right here. So as you can see, it's recording my display capture. So it's recording the entire display, this right here. So whatever is on the screen right here on my monitor, it will record. So this is my mic, and this is the sound coming out of the desktop. So as you can see, there's no sound coming out of the desktop, so it's at 0, and this is my voice speaking. And you simply click record, so that's recording. Then you're gonna need a game. So let's try it on a game right here. So let's open Fortnite. And let's record anything. So let's say, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about the new legendary quests that are out. You're gonna need to do X, Y, and Z, and then X, Y, and Z, and then X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And then we end it with an emote. And then you simply stop recording right here. You click stop. Alright, so once you've stopped recording, you exit the game. We don't need to be here anymore. Then once you have your recorded video, which for me it goes right here, so I have my YouTube folder right here, and these are all my recorded videos so far, throughout this week. So this is the video that's been recorded, and this is the video that I just recorded right here. All you have to do just need a editing software. So I highly recommend Shotcut. Most people use Adobe Premiere, but I find Shotcut, this software right here, very easy and much easier than Adobe Premiere. It's literally a drag and drop, and it does the trick. It literally records 1080p videos. So this is it. Don't worry, it's not as scary. It's literally so simple. So just open this. You have your video right here, and you simply write your project name. So let's say new quest. Let's do this. So this is the title of the video, and then you click start, and then you simply drag the video right here. So let's I have my intro right here. It's ready. So this is my intro. It's an 8-second intro. So I'll just drag the intro, and then drag it again here, and then I drag my new video, and then I drag it again here, and then I simply open here and just find where my video starts and ends. So when did we open the thing, the game? Come on, go here. Okay, there we go. So right around here, and let's go. So simply click S right here. So when you click S, it splits it, and then you click delete. So that's gone. And then we zoom out, and we bring all of this all the way here, and then we check out the ending right here. So with an emote. Okay, and then we click space, we stop here, and then we click S again to split it, and then we delete the last part. And then we add the intro outro. So I call it intro outro because I use it for my intro and outro. I should definitely make a new outro, something cooler. So just drag and drop here. And if you want the faded effect. So if I do this, and so yeah, as you can see, it goes straight to the video. But if I drag it a little bit here like this, it will create a fading effect. So we will do this, and as you can see, it literally fades in and then fades out. And you can do the same at the end so that it ends smoothly. So we do this, and from the emote, we're gonna end the video. And there it is. So that's beautiful. Once you're done, so as you can see, it's all done. You simply click export right here, export file. And for me, it exports straight to the desktop because it's easier for me. These are the plasma gun videos I just made. So you click save. And then you simply, since it's a short video, it will take literally a few seconds. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're done. So that's the video. Then we click this, we exit. So this is it. It's called New Quest. This is the video right here, and it has its own folder. This is a special folder for it. It doesn't matter. Then you're gonna need an editing software. So I mainly use Photoshop right here for the thumbnail. So this is one of the thumbnails that I've already made earlier. So this is a ready word, and this is a ready text and ready image. So I have all of it right here in my PSD thumbnail. So as you can see, I make them I pre-prepare them ahead. So if I go right here, you will find that I already have this right here. So build 25 structures. I simply add the image. So for example, the quest is let's say this is the quest right here. This is the image for the quest. This is a screenshot that I took. So I simply click enter, and let's align it a little bit. Okay, and then we simply bring it a little bit lower so that this one is on top of it, and the text is first. Yep, there it is. And then you can simply change this. You click T, and then you change this to whatever. So the quest is use plasma gun, I guess. And you simply click file and save, and then you save it to your desktop and you change it to a JPEG, so it's an image, and you put whatever here, doesn't matter, just do that, and you click OK, and it's saved. So there it is. This is our new thumbnail right here, as you can see. And then you simply go to the YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel right here, and you simply drag and drop. So once you make a YouTube channel, you simply click upload right here on create. So you click new quest. You take the video, the new quest video, you drag it here, and this is it. This is like it's uploading, as you can see, 11%, 12%. And I'm gonna show you like why you need the third thingy right here, the third software, which is Caesium, because you cannot upload like images that are larger than 2 megabytes. So if I go to my screenshots right here, so these are my screenshots. So let's do this and do this. So as you can see, I usually take like many screenshots of quests. So for this one, I needed a screenshot of me interacting with a payphone, because the quest is to get Sloan's orders from a payphone. And if I go to the size of the image, as you can see, it says 3.68 megabytes. And if I drag that image right here to use it, it will say file is bigger than 2 megabytes. And you cannot upload, you cannot use any image that is larger than 2 megabytes as a thumbnail. That's why you need the Caesium right here. So sometimes you only use like a screenshot, so you don't use Photoshop. So this is Caesium right here. It's a free software. It's an image compressor. You simply drag this image, you put it here, and then you say same for all. You say set quality, and then you compress it. This is where it compresses. So you choose like the desktop. I choose the desktop right here, and you just click compress, and there it is, compressed. So it was 3.68 megabytes. And if I go right here to my desktop, there it is. It's the same image, and it now is a 307 kilobytes. So it literally gets squeezed so far that it doesn't matter like how big it was, and you can use it and you can use it as a thumbnail. And there it is right there. But we're gonna use this thumbnail right here that we used in the Photoshop. So there it is. And basically you have to fill like all of this. So you simply click the title. What's going to be the title? I don't know. Plasma Cannon video, whatever. So there it is. And then this is all prepared like in advance. So I simply add the description right here. In this video, I'm going to show you blah, 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 blah. And you have the hashtags at the end. And then you have the thumbnail. And then you choose the playlist. And you click show more. And these are the freaking keywords. And then you click on the recording date, so you click enter. And then you simply choose the game title. So since it's Fortnite, we write 4, and there's Fortnite right there. And for monetization, you just click on. And then for ad sustainability, since we're playing a game, you don't need to fill out any of these like inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful, This does not apply to us because it's simply gaming content, and you just click none of the above. And then you click submit rating. So it will literally like submit rating and checks complete. Then video elements, you can add subtitles, you can add end screens, or you can add cards. And then you simply go to visibility and click public, and then you publish the video. Literally, that's all you need to do. Like I've explained this in what, like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. This is it. This is all you need to do, guys. You don't really need anything else. Everything right here is free. Streamlabs is free. Shotcut is free. Caesium is free. Photoshop is kind of free. You can like download it from unofficial sites, let's say. And if you don't have Photoshop, of course you can use any other like software, any other free software, any other like editing free software, which there are like many of like on the internet. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys like this kind of video. It's a little bit different. It's not what I usually do. do. I thought like, I've been on YouTube for almost like 1.5 years right now. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, and I'm getting the hang of it, like of how to upload like multiple videos in a day. Like you see, guys, I upload almost 20 videos a day, sometimes 50 videos a day. It depends, of course, on how much free time I have. And yeah, this is the best way I found so far. If you guys like know of any other better ways, of course, let me know in the comments below. I would happily like to learn anything like I can do better, maybe to to like fasten the process and like upload videos even faster. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty easy. Anybody can do it. Just if you want to start your YouTube channel, I highly recommend doing this. Just download these three right here: the Streamlabs OBS, the Shotcut software, and the Caesium software. Caesium is Caesium. So this is for compression, and this is for editing the videos, and this is for recording the videos. And if you want to edit the images, just use Photoshop. And yeah, this is it. This is basically it, guys. And then of course you just start your YouTube channel, and you just be consistent. My advice: just be consistent. Upload every day, like maybe upload once a day, or upload twice a day, or upload twice a week, or upload 3 times a week. These are the parameters. Like basically, I don't recommend doing anything else. Like don't go for 1 video a month unless like you're really famous and people like know about you. If you're starting from zero, like I have, I highly recommend like being consistent. Always upload. Like make a nice schedule, and make sure to keep to that schedule. Like always upload once a day, or always upload twice a week. Just make sure you always upload. It doesn't matter if the video is good, right? Choose a game that you can play, like Fortnite, League of Legends, Valorant, whatever you can play. Any game that you actually enjoy playing, and simply record yourself. It doesn't matter, just play it, and try to make your content either entertaining or helpful. So it has to be either informative, helpful, or it has to be entertaining. So these are the 2 parameters. So make sure you choose one of those, or maybe you can mix them both if you have like a very fun personality, like me, of course, with my jokes. So yeah, that's it. I just want to make a like a weird new video. I felt inspired this morning. I said, you know what, I've been doing YouTube for a while, so I might as well teach my subscribers how I do it. So maybe some of you get inspired as well and start your own YouTube channel. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because it really helps the channel a lot. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.